Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Rosa. How are you?
Hi, how are you doing, Rishi? Long time no see you.
Yeah.
How's it
How are
going?
you? Yeah, it's going good. How are you?
Yeah, okay. Just fighting with gold.
Could you share your screen, Rosa? Like, I couldn't able to share my screen today.
Sure. Yeah, give me a second. So I'm just trying to my computer reboot itself for some reason, as always. And then I have to accommodate everything together again. So just a second. I think you should be seeing my, okay, now you're seeing my screen. So I only took one trade this morning around here. That was a buy. Yeah, buy. And it was okay, but because I had a clear signal. But now I've been trying to find another signal. I missed out a fantastic opportunity right here, but at 2 o'clock my time, like in now, 6 minutes ago. I don't usually like going in any trade. So I'll wait for another opportunity
Okay.
to see if I can make it happen. Are you on any trades or are you waiting
No,
for a
plan
setup?
to put a trade in London on Nasdaq.
Okay,
So,
Nasdaq.
yeah, Nasdaq.
Yeah, let me check.
So, so I actually took.
That's Nasdaq. Let me set my template. Okay. London session, you say it was a sell?
No. Wait. Let me just take that. Just give me a minute.
Let me share Nasdaq in here. I don't think I have it. Okay, I'll add Nasdaq in a minute.
Oh, sorry, sorry. I actually took the trade in gold.
Chart window.
Yeah, I actually took trade in gold.
Okay, so it was
Exactly
in
at
gold.
yeah, exactly at 5:30 a.m. ETH.
Sorry, what time did you say?
Sorry, give me a minute. Can I tell the time in New York time?
Yeah,
UTC minus 4, like exactly at 1:24.
my time.
UTC minus 4, New York.
Okay, so 9. Oh,
1:24.
around here.
No. Like on the right side, like there is a strong momentum on the downside, right? Like the two candles, left side, the down close. No, left. See, like there is a breach on the indicator on the downside, or like just go to the right side. Could you just zoom in, like, so that I can
Yep.
just show the time? Right. Again, right. No, right. Yeah, here. So there is a breach on the lows, left side. Look at the breach on the lows, like equal lows.
Yeah.
Left side, yeah. So the market breached the lows, and look at the candles, like the two candles, down close candles. So it is actually very big. And also,
Mm,
what happened is like the market started consolidating at the lows. So, so gold is actually bullish when I
mm,
was looking during London session. So what happened is like the market breached the equal lows, and the moment candle is also very good. Like the momentum is so good, and
mm,
the market started consolidating. So I took that particular low as sell liquidity, which I actually expected a manipulation, and which is what happened immediately. So the moment I took trade, like the market started reversing, and I
mm.
actually aimed for the swing high, which is at 111.
Okay,
Yeah.
111, yeah.
Yeah. So the moment it hit,
Mm,
I closed my trade. That is
mm.
that is my
Good.
scalp for today.
Mm. That was a very quick one, but very good one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, actually it was. So yeah, um, the opportunity I missed. Um, Let me just delete Nasdaq from here.
Okay.
So 51 there. So I had an
Okay.
entry here.
Okay.
Catch it now. I don't usually do that. Let me
Okay.
just zoom in. Because of the time. But honestly, if I had seen these three moving averages being rejected, I would have
Okay.
taken it. I didn't see them. I just looked at the time. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock my time, so no. That's
Okay.
it. But that was a very good one, even from here.
Okay.
60 pips, 60 pips, fine. We'll have to wait for another one. Are you waiting for any setup?
Like I'm actually looking at Nasdaq right now.
Nasdaq, this is an hour. It's been to the downside.
Yeah.
Haven't checked it.
The move is actually pretty good.
Mm, mm, good. That's M5, by the way.
Yeah.
I'll leave it on M5. That one, M1. Okay, let's see how it goes. I'll try to find. I'm going to look for a sell
Okay.
on
In gold.
gold. Mm,
Oh,
but let's see how it
Nasdaq.
does it.
Yeah, Nasdaq is actually bearish. Like I'm actually planning for
Mm,
any increase. Like, but again, like it is actually in a already it is at lows, so I'm not going to take any trades at lows.
mm.
I'm just going to wait. If I get any signal, like then I'll plan my trades again.
All right. Very quiet day. Very low people on the chat either to say no one. It's difficult days. It's coming holidays, summer holidays are around the
Uh,
corner here in Europe at least.
okay,
Um, and well, June, July, August, but
okay.
mostly July and August. They are months where Europeans have our holidays.
Oh, okay,
And as an average, if you work for a company, for someone else,
okay,
you usually have around 30 days holidays.
Oh,
Yeah, it's nearly a month, but it is a month. Between 23, 30 days. So that's a lot for some of
no,
the
the market won't be
countries.
good on those days.
Hmm.
No, I'm asking like, will the market won't be good on those days?
Um, it's quiet. I mean, United States, it's still open. I mean, regular.
Okay.
They also have holidays, but I think by default they only have 1 or 2 weeks.
Oh, okay.
So to me, it's a bit quieter,
Oh, okay.
but it's not bad to trade. To
I,
me, the worst month is the December
oh,
because the
yeah, yeah,
states, all the states
yeah,
and the whole Europe are on holidays, Christmas
yeah,
holiday.
yeah. The market was also like it won't be good
Yeah.
during
So,
December.
hmm. Yeah,
I
December.
think,
And,
like
and
last year, it was actually pretty good compared to previous other years. Like I actually looked at December and the last December, it was
mm,
actually good.
it's not bad, but sometimes it's tricky. And I don't usually
Yeah.
trade since mid-December to mid-January because
Okay.
in some countries, like in Spain, we
Oh,
celebrate Three Kings or
oh,
gifts for the kids, and they are still on holidays. They have
oh.
3 weeks holidays, kids, in December.
Okay, okay, okay,
So they won't come back to school up until nearly 7th, 10th of January.
okay.
And that happens in many of the European countries
Oh,
and also South American countries. So that's why it's very slow, the market. Um, July, August, it's better, but still,
okay.
London session, it's very, very quiet because people are on holidays, some people on the States as well. So I
Yeah, I
like
get.
it, but it's a quiet session. So time to take it easy. Still very good opportunity. So market to me is very slow,
Okay.
but it's confident. So when there's a trend, there is a trend. So
Okay.
there's no the volatility lowers a little bit. So that means trends are like smooth trends, and the market is quiet but smooth. And this is something I really like when I trade.
So you usually like, would you prefer London session or New York?
I only
What?
trade London session. Yeah, like when I say always, it's like most of the time because this price moves smoothly.
Oh, okay.
US session, for my style, scalper style, it's so volatile that it takes me out hitting stop loss very, very fast.
Oh,
And I don't have the accuracy I usually have on the London session.
oh, would you teach me a strategy, a simple one, which you like?
I can teach you mine whenever you want,
Yeah.
outside the cameras. And it's very straightforward. I mean, you need time to understand gold or the I don't know the symbol you'd rather do.
Yeah.
I do it on gold, so the
Okay.
one I use is gold
Okay.
because I know the symbol very well, but it's very easy.
Okay.
So yeah, yeah, I'll let you know. Of course, I'll teach you.
I mean, like only if you wish, or else it's completely fine.
Good, good. Yeah, ping me on my WhatsApp.
Ah, okay, sure. Have you learned ICT?
No, not really. No,
Okay.
never tried.
Have you tried?
Not really either, because it's I've tried, but it's
Okay.
difficult to me finding these liquidity zones you talk about, and it's weird. I don't. I mean, I see so many liquidity areas that I
Okay.
don't know where to focus on the good ones. So I don't actually know what I'm doing when I'm doing ICT.
I get it. I get it.
It's about to move. Gold.
Gold futures chart is actually not looking good. I mean, there is no liquidity at all. Like in the futures chart, I'm saying.
Yeah. Yeah, I also have a look at futures
Yeah,
always.
like all the candles, like they are choppy.
Depending on how I see futures, I don't trade gold this day, or I wait for a better
Mm.
timing. Hmm. And when there's so many gaps, sometimes in the London session, the first hour, there's so
Yeah,
many gaps on the futures that I try to stay away.
yeah. Even
Um,
if you look at the current chart, like, okay, you're having MT5 account.
oh no, no, but I'll open Ninja Trader with my live account.
Oh,
Bear with me.
so how is the Ninja Trader actually? I haven't used it.
It's amazing, honestly.
Even I'm actually a vendor with Ninja Trader, but still like haven't used it.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't use. I have started using Ninja Trader maybe like a year ago, a year and a half.
Okay.
But I do have a personal account as well, and the commissions are so low.
Oh,
They are ridiculous compared to MT5 to, well, not MT5, the CFDs, right?
okay,
Which is amazing. So working with futures, the execution is way better. Spreads are non-existent. Um, Sleepage is also quite different.
okay.
I like it better. Um, okay, let's open a chart and let's say gold. The chart you're seeing is the mini or the micro.
Sorry.
When you see at futures,
I
what
usually take trades only in MNQ or like micro.
micro? Okay,
Yeah,
so let
micro.
me open up the micro then to see how it goes. I usually do on mini just to
Okay.
analyze, just to see if the market's right. Oh wow, I don't like it.
Like actually, Nasdaq is continuously making lows. It is looking good, but still, like it already fell like so much. Like I don't want to take trades now.
Hmm.
I'm on my Avals now right now, and made 1,200 so far. Like still, like I have to make 1,800 left.
Okay. Uh,
Have you
and
checked out the funding pips one step account like Flex account?
uh, I got an email yesterday for the one step, and I have to read all the rules because I actually have eight accounts, two step standard.
Oh,
These are the ones I
eight
like.
accounts.
Eight accounts,
Oh, that's good.
and I don't copy trade them, so I trade
Okay, okay.
manually
Like
one
rules are
after
pretty
the
simple.
other.
Like it's 12% static loss, like drawdown, and 12%
The
target.
one step,
Yeah, on the one step.
but is it static?
It is static on the daily, like sorry, overall loss limit.
Hmm.
Maximum loss limit, like it's 12%, and it's static. Daily loss limit, that is, I think it is balance based. Daily loss limit is 3%.
Well, daily loss 3% is a lot to me,
Yeah,
so it's
three
fine.
percent. And one more rule is like you have to be cautious about us. Like you'll be having 1% floating loss. Not like it is not a hard breach. You'll be having four warnings.
It's like a strike, right? Like
Yeah, it's a strike. So four
over
times you get
1%.
warning. Like,
So 1% out of 500, it's 5,000, 50,000, it's 500. Wow, that's a bit tight to me. So over $500 in loss, you get the first strike.
yeah,
Okay,
the best
okay.
is like just risk 0.5% and then target 1%, which will be good actually.
Mm.
your risk parameter will be also in line.
Yeah, I usually work with the two-step standard. I don't know
Oh,
why,
okay.
but I'm used to them. I'm very objective, and I always use 2,000 stop loss, $2,000, which
Okay.
is 4%, and target 2,500.
Okay.
And it's the same on every trade I take. This way, I can use the expert advisor I have,
Okay.
which is the one you are seeing on screen.
Okay.
Uh, and then it's easy to me to use this expert advisor because I said, what's the stop loss? Take
Okay.
profit. So I hit buy and sell, and that's it. And that it's set. And then I forget about this trade.
Okay.
But yes, I should check anyway. The one you are talking about, the one step.
It's actually good, to be honest. The
Hmm.
price is also reasonable.
Let me check funding pips. The strike system is something, not that I don't like it. It's not that. It's just like I don't have to pay attention to everything I'm doing when I'm
Mm.
trading. It's
Okay.
like I like setting up my trade and then hitting the trade and just leave it. So I don't like thinking, oh, I should cut the loss at 1% because 1.2 means a
That
strike,
will
things like that.
actually see. For example, like if I'm having a 100K account, and if I keep my risk low, like that will actually help my psychology, right? Like
Hmm.
losing $500 in a trade, it's actually fine because like I'm having 12% overall roll on, which is
Yeah, but
$12,000.
you're right.
So psychologically, yeah, it would be very helpful
Hmm.
if I follow proper risk management. And I think that is applicable to only funded account, like master account. I think so.
Okay.
I have to
All right.
check it again.
Yeah, I'm seeing. The comparison table is pretty good. The one that's in funding pips, one step flag, the two step standard, the pro, the flex, and the zero.
Okay.
3 million days max open risk limit. One as now open risk limit. Mean profitable days. What's it mean?
Like minimum.
Yeah, but oh my.
There is no minimum profitable days and all. Like we can pass the account in one single day.
Yeah, but you can pass it on one single day. But then there's someone somewhere I read you can pass it on one day, but then when you get to the master account, you will only receive 60%. So if one trade it's over 60% of the total profit on the phase
Uh,
one or phase two, then
okay.
when you get to the master account, your profit gets reduced. So actually, you need 2 days to pass the account.
No, no, like like what account type you're talking about? Like are you talking about the one step
The
flex?
two step standard is the one I have.
Two step standard. Okay, okay, fine.
And it says minimum trading days, master, known. But this is on the master. On the eval, it says 3 minimum trading days per phase, but then if you hit inside, you
Okay.
have to make sure none of the trades are 60% of the profit. So
Uh,
I can't make $4,000 in one day and $1,000 on the next day because it's over the $4,000 is over 60% of the total profit. And so you need 2 days and then a mini trade on the third day or 3 days. 1 minute days, yeah. The one thing about this, the flex, is you don't have minimum days.
yes, like
Okay. On the Tuesday flex, I don't see where it's the drawdown is always static. Okay. Yes, I have to compare them all again in a quite big table just to make sure I'm comparing apples to apples.
Okay.
And maybe I change because the other option was the two-step flex. Because
Oh,
12% drawdown, I breathe a lot more when I'm
look at the
trading.
Nasdaq candle. Look at the 1 minute candle.
Gold?
Nasdaq, Nasdaq.
Oh wow. What is that?
It is so
It's
fast and
2:30. Is there any news today?
no, just a minute.
Didn't
No, there
check.
is no news. No, like I've actually checked. There is no news at all.
Wow.
Look at the push. Actually,
Hmm.
there is an like it's called SMT in S&P 500 as well as Nasdaq.
Hmm.
Do you trade CFD like index 100 in funding pips?
What you mean? S-
Like do you trade index 100 in funding
Oh,
pips?
okay. Okay.
Like the CFD part. Like do you
Yeah.
trade?
Just a second. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, MetaTrader got freezed. Sometimes my broker, my the broker I use, gets
Okay.
like freezed out for 10, 20 seconds pretty
Oh,
often. Okay. Oh, this is Nasdaq. I was looking at Nasdaq. Okay.
more strength for USD. Currently, DXY is actually falling Forex killer, but overall the bias is still bullish. Look at that DXY. But currently, like it is actually falling.
TXY? Let me check.
And like slightly, like I think it is looking like a retracement of major fallen down. But overall, like
Hmm.
if you look at the higher
Yeah.
time frame, it is still bullish.
Hmm. Hmm.
Nasdaq started reversing.
Yeah, USD index fine. Nasdaq reversing.
Which is your favorite forex pair? Like forex, like no, not gold and all, like not commodity.
I used to trade USD CHF,
Okay.
but spread is very big because I used to trade it at night,
Oh,
Asian session, and it was quite high. But I never had a favorite because I didn't understand forex how it works,
okay,
and the volatility is like the movements are softer,
okay.
and that made me anxious. So once I'm in a trade, I like it to be out of the trade in minutes. Nasdaq moving up. Okay, it's pretty
Yeah,
good.
that's actually good.
Sure. I just left that. Oh, that's it. And this is gold. Nothing for now. This level here, I like it.
It is actually looking bullish Nasdaq, but
Mm.
still, like I have like 54 minutes left for US market to open. So I'm actually confused, like whether I should take this trade or not. But it's actually looking good.
I had the first trade just jumping in here,
Okay.
but one of my confirmations were missing, so I decided not to take it. And
Okay.
I don't usually trade Nasdaq either at this time. And then I had the other one in there here. But since
Oh,
I missed out the first one, if I miss out one trade opportunity, I'd rather wait. So I don't usually jump in the market just chasing this opportunity. I think
okay.
it's going up,
Mhm.
at least
Yeah,
at
it's
this
actually
point in
going
here.
up.
This area here is the area I was waiting for. Gold moving down. Hmm. Okay. I'm so happy of what Funding Pip's doing with all the accounts and everything.
Okay.
No, actually, I am because it's amazing. They'll have the majority of the market very soon if they don't have it already. With everything they're doing, oh my god. I'd like to go to the Forex Expo in Dubai. Are you going?
When? When it is happening?
Dubai Expo Forex. I think it's end of September, 22nd and 23rd of September.
Okay. No, I don't know. Like I don't like haven't planned yet. Let's see.
It's only the flights. It's a bit expensive. Because my plan was going to the 22nd, 23rd, but being there like a couple of days, at
Okay.
least, yeah, before and after, so I can meet the team, visit the offices. I've never been there.
It is actually a pretty good office. Like I visited once.
Good. Let's see how much they are. Now, first time I looked for the flights, they were very, very expensive. Oh, they not actually. It's okay. €800. It's not bad. Okay, Nasdaq doing its thing. This is the level I was looking for in this buy. Let's see if
Okay.
it keeps. Gold. I don't know what gold is planning to do. I'll have to wait.
Nasdaq is actually pretty good. They're showing good momentum on the buy side.
Hmm, hmm, it is.
Okay, it also filled the fair value gap by 4 as a Fiji in Nasdaq. And it is moving higher. Even the market,
So it's moving high.
yeah, currently took support. Let's see. But the 5 minute candle closing is
Hmm.
not good.
Let's see. Gold.
Again, like if this particular 5 minute candle closes above the high, I
Hmm.
immediately bullish. Let's see whether it is rejecting or not.
Yeah, Nasdaq, this is 5 minutes. I wasn't expecting for this movement. Still time to go back up.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, now it started falling.
hmm.
Have you used order flow?
No, no. Have you?
No, not yet. I'm actually
Hmm.
learning order flow.
I did take a few free YouTube courses just to make my head clear around what was the order flow. There's a very, very good free course. It's in
Yeah,
Spanish. So I took it and so I know how it works. I think it might be
yeah.
very,
Learning the
very
basics
interesting.
is actually easy, but
Hmm.
like understanding the narrative, bias, everything, combining
Yeah.
all those things and then taking dates, it's actually hard.
Yes, that's what's not easy whatsoever. That's what I thought. So it's easy.
Yeah,
Okay, I understand everything. Now put it in practice. It's different in the real life.
yeah. So you need to.
Understanding how it works altogether. Yeah. I don't find where I have my camera.
Camera.
Yeah, the live stream. Okay, now I got it. Because I
Uh,
have so many
uh,
windows opened, browsers and things like that. So hi, global online. Hi, global online. Forex killer, more strength for the US dollar. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Where? Global online. Where do you want to go? Wow, Nasdaq, I wasn't expecting this
yeah,
reaction.
just started falling.
This is minutes. If I move down to 1 minute, as I said, that was my entry signal for the first time. Second time, I didn't take any of this, but I was pretty sure, like understanding when I'm saying sure, the momentum will continue for a few more pips, and it's
Yeah,
just going back up, down, back down. Gold is also going down. Nice reaction of gold, just going down.
sorry.
Okay.
And
You
you
said
start.
there's no news, right?
There is no news at all. Okay, still I have to wait for the bias. Again,
Hmm.
started falling. Oh, gold is also falling.
Yes, gold's also falling. Um, I'm just trying to understand gold.
It is falling heavily. Sorry.
Okay, let's see if it goes down to 41.13. 41.13 for gold.
How are you planning trades?
Hmm. If this is a level, I'll buy. If it hits 41.13 and then I see my setup forming there,
Okay.
I'll buy.
Oh, you're going to buy. Sorry.
Hmm.
I'm going to wait for US market to open.
Yeah, it's three nearly. Yeah, it's still 40 minutes to go. Okay,
Yeah. Okay, again, it is taking support and then moving up. Nasdaq.
let's check
Let's see.
Nasdaq.
I just want the market to close above 29, 2947, 29,047. And if it closes
47.
above the particular, yeah, again, like if it closes above this particular FEG,
Hmm.
I might go for buys.
Hmm.
If it's not, like I'll just wait for the US market to open, then I'll plan my trades.
Hmm.
Come on, come on, come on. What is ES doing? Okay, ES is also taking support. Nasdaq is also taking support.
The index. Let me check. Hmm. Okay.
Okay, it is going higher or is touching the 5 value gap.
Hmm.
No, it is rejecting. It is rejecting. Sad news.
Yeah, I'm going to wait for the 1 hour candle closes and opens the next one.
Okay.
And if there's no opportunity by like in 10, 12 minutes, then I'll call it a day
Okay.
because I don't usually
Yeah.
trade the Open, the US Open, so I'll call it a day. Six minutes to go. Ooh! Look at gold.
Oh my God. Like, what happened? Like, what's the news?
It it did hit my area.
Oh my God. The candle.
Oh
Wow.
my. Yeah, okay. I won't buy with this candle. I won't buy.
Orient trade.
Huh?
Orient trade. Trade. Orient
N-
trade.
No, 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 no trades. So I was expecting to hit my level to just go buy to find for a
Oh
buy,
my, what
but
happened?
not
Oh,
not with this candle. That it
look at the
didn't. I
candle
didn't have
size.
any time.
Yeah.
For what
Even in
reason? What was?
Nasdaq, like, it is so big.
Wow, 100 pips candle. Oh
And
wow,
like you told,
Nasdaq.
no, like it is actually touching the fair value gap. Like from that level, like the market actually fell. Like yeah, it is almost like 87 points.
Hmm.
Not 87.
From
Yeah,
candle,
87 points. Like
yes,
yeah,
77,
yeah,
78
80.
points, one candle for no reason at all. So well done, thank you very much.
Yeah, man, I'm not going to touch this.
No, no, no. I honestly, I'm calling it a day. I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes to see
See,
the
this
start
like
of the next
very
candle,
cool.
but I'm calling
And
it a
like
day.
less Trump did anything.
My God.
Wow.
I'm looking for if Trump said something or anything. I'm looking for what happened in here.
Did Trump posted anything? I have to check his news.
Wow.
Oh, look at the reversal.
Mm.
If the momentum continues, like actually, we may expect a rally on the high side. But yeah, this particular candle is fishy. Like I'm not going to press any buttons now.
No, me neither. Okay. Okay, shall we end the live stream then? I
Yeah,
won't do
sure.
anything else for today.
Not,
So,
not to press
people
any
in the
button.
chat, thank you very much for being here. Rishi, hope we talk to you again. Ping me on my WhatsApp, okay?
Yeah, sure,
Regarding
sure,
my
Rosa.
strategy. And thank you all for being here. See you
Yeah,
soon. Bye
thank you.
bye.
Bye, Rosa. Bye.